I'm Sam from Sparesbox, and today we're here with an extremely exciting product from the world-renowned Hella. It's of course their mining-derived LED Roklume 380 spotlights, and we're going to take a look at these today. The Hella Roklume 380s are an incredibly impressive product from the world-renowned Hella. They're of course all LED, and they're a serious bit of kit. You can see from the back of this particular one all the heat sinks to keep them cool when they're running. You'll also notice the gorgeous aluminium housing that they come in that's going to make them tough as anything, and a heavy-duty stainless steel bracket that's designed to absorb some shock and help these lights not rattle. What more, there's 7,800 lumens in light. Now that is an insane amount of light from an LED spotlight, and also you're going to get around half a kilometre of range from these, which for an LED again is seriously impressive. If you want to see these Hella Roklume spotlights in action, or us putting them on the front of our cars and getting our cars full drive action trip ready, head over to our Sparesbox YouTube channel where you'll be able to see all the video content there.